Hi guys, we're at the plane na. We boarded like 20 minutes ago. And na-late pa kami sa airport. Diyos ko po. And nag-free adjustment pa kami sa bagahe. Anyways, waiting for a safe flight. Hi guys! We're in Manila! O yung sumama sa vlog ko. Hi guys, we're at Manila na, landed safely. The ride had some few bumpy here and there, but it was a nice ride. Malakas yung fan guys. Sobrang lakas ng fan. Wait na lang namin yung Grab driver namin. Hirap pala kumubok. Gagi. Hi guys! Nakapag-book na kami ng Grab. My God, so kakapagod na sila. Wow, Kayla, look at the airport.
Alin ako no, akan Dani.
It's traffic. Dapat dito tayo kay para mas malapit. Ito na yun. Mas malapit. We're at Shore 3, Tower 1. Hi guys! We're at Shore 3 Residence Tower 1. 2? Tower 1, not sure. Dapat sa Shore 2 Residence kami pero May nakastay pa dun. So, I'll give you guys a quick room tour. Guys, I'm done mag-freshen up. Punta kaming MOA, go-grocery, then eat dinner with the fam. Punta akong KKB! Guessing kung ilan ang magagasto ko, 500. Nagasgas kami. So happy. Earn mo with ate. So if mawala kami, kailangan mauwi na lang kami sa shore. Layo ng linakbay namin papuntang Burger King. Nasa North Wing kasi. Nasa North Wing pala yung Burger King. Tapos nandun kami sa harap. Malapit sa IKEA. So naglakad ba kami. The goods! Oh my goodness! Gracious! Are you tired? Guys, sabi ko 500 lang gagastusin ko si Kikibe. Pagod na ako kakalakad. Thank God, nandito na yung stroller ng kids. Yan na, finally, hindi na magkakarga. Burger King, pumatang Jersey. May kakain na naman sa Pontis. Pontis, kakain kami ng cake. Ako pagod. Kanta ka na, Aliyah.
Bye-bye.
Waiting for our Grab driver. Hi guys, we're back home. So tiring. Puro kain lang ginawa namin. Sabi ko, before going to KKV, ang gagastuhin ko lang is 500 pesos. Pero, medyo over the budget tayo. Kaya, mag-haul tayo. KKV haul. Hindi siya ma-makeup. More on food. Wala akong nagustuhang makeup. Kasi bago pa yung ano ko, yung blush on. Wala silang mascara yung gusto ko. Tsaka yung highlighter. Puro out of stock. Nakakainis. Kita nyo itong resibong to? Haba! Sobrang haba! Diba? So, first up is these. Kaya, sabi ko nga, diba, puro pagkain lang to, guys. Yung mga hindi ko nakikita sa grocery. So, this is crispy corn chips. And I am bien spicy sauce. I don't know if I read that wrong. Ito, feeling ko popcorn. Oo, cheese popcorn to. Based on the drawing. Okay, next is... Ito, hindi ako to ang pumulot. Ang napakagaling kong anak na si John Pio. Saya, Mama, I want that. Chocolate something. What's this? Hindi ko maintindihan ang sulat. Kasi naka-Japanese. Chips. Cheese rings. Based sa picture. Cheese rings to. Kasi daddy to yung pumulot. Shrimp flavor. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko mabasa. Coffee bean biscuit. Then I got this one. Mango juice. Sweets. Okay na ako na. Hindi ko rin ito mabasa kay daddy to. Pinulot niya lang. Lip gloss. Then, charcoal oil mask sheet. So, I'll put this on later. Kasi, so yun lang ang haul ko. So, bill reveal. Basta not more than 1,500 but not less than 1,000. Good morning! September 24. We're gonna go down. We're gonna find stores. Back to the condo para kumain na. Back in the condo. So tiring. Hi! Pink, nakakita. Wow, it's a dinosaur bone. Saan tayo po? Guys, we're in BGC today. And it's raining. Nasa High Street kami ngayon. Dapat pumunta kaming market, but it's rain. Kaya bumaba na lang kami sa food district. So we're eating here at So Good. It's like a Korean, ano ba yan? A Korean na food. Hello, Piping. Where are you? Are you eating? Where are you eating? Are you eating chicken? Hello, Caleb. Where are you? Eh, walang sumasagot. Hindi nakain ng kain. Naghanap kami ng payong kasi umuulan. We're at the convent. Mag-edit lang ako ng birds. Pero matutulog na. Hi, we're going to the pool area. Kasi naka-rest na kami. Ka-5. Ito yung mami. Ito ni mami. We're on our way to buy dinner. Alpha Mart na lang. Good morning, guys. It's September 25 today. It's currently 6 a.m. and it's our last day here in Pasay. So tomorrow we'll be traveling to Batangas na. So what down? Kinuha ko yung ribbon at napadala ng mga cousins ko. Thank you so much! Hi guys! So it's our last night here at Shore Residence. Kasi tomorrow, aalis na kami papuntang Batangas. And yeah, I'll end my part 1 vlog here. And I'll see you on my next vlog.